Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use System.io to make money through affiliate marketing. System.io is a really easy platform to use where you can create sales funnels, collect emails, and create email campaigns to send to your subscribers. It automates the entire process, making it really easy to make money through affiliate marketing. So if you're ready to get started, head to System.io. That's going to bring you to the homepage, and here it's showing you a bunch of the features that they offer, like managing your affiliates, creating online courses, automating your marketing. But let's just scroll back up to the top and we're going to take a look at the pricing. So they have 4 different packages. They have the free package, the startup package, which is $27 a month, the webinar package, which is $47 a month, and the unlimited package, which is $97 a month. And each of these packages just has different features or different limits. For example, on the contacts, you can have 2,000 in the free account or up to unlimited on the unlimited account. And you can also choose whether to bill monthly or annually, and you do save a little bit on the annual billing. But for today, we're going to start with the free package. I'm just going to come over here and click Start for Free. And we're going to sign up with our email address. You'll then have to go back to your emails and confirm your email address. And here you'll be brought to your dashboard. And the first thing we want to do is go to emails from the top bar and go down to campaigns. And then in the top right hand corner, we're going to click create to make our first campaign. And we're going to give it a name, and you can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to go for offer. Once you're happy, click save. So you've created a campaign. And now we're going to go to funnels in the top bar again. And we're going to create a funnel. Again, we need to name this. And then you're going to choose whether to build an audience, sell, have a custom funnel, or run an evergreen webinar. And we're going to choose build an audience. And then you can change your currency if you need to, and then click save. Then we're going to come into this funnel by clicking on the name over here. And we want to build a page to collect emails. So we can scroll through these templates and find one that we like. This one here looks quite good, so I'm just going to click select. And you can name this page if you like, and you can change the URL path as well. And then over on the right hand side, we're going to click edit page. And we're going to come into here and customize this page. I'm going to start by just removing some of these things at the top by hovering over them and clicking the trash can. I'm going to get rid of all of these things at the bottom as well. And as I said, this page is where you want to collect emails. So you probably want to write something in here to convince people to join. So I'm just going to delete this text. I'm going to write something else. I'm going to change some of this text up here as well. And we can also change this image if we want to. We can click on it. And you can either upload your own image or paste a URL. I'm just going to leave it like that for now. And you can customize this form depending on what information you want to collect. I'd always recommend taking at least the email and the first name, but we don't necessarily need the last name, so I'm going to get rid of that. But I'm happy with this, and if we want to view it to see what it would look like on a page, we can click this eye icon up here, and that's what it would look like. But once we're happy, we're going to click Save Changes, and then the exit button next to it. We then need to go over to the left-hand side and customize the thank you page. So again, find a template that you like. I think this one looks good. And again, name the page, change the URL, and come in and edit it. You'd obviously want to make it all the same colors as your previous page so that it is consistent, but I'm not going to worry about doing that right now. Again, save changes and exit just as we did before. And now we need to come up here to automation rules. And we need to add our first rule. And you've got the option of funnel, step, form subscribed, or page visited. And we want to choose the first one. So we've added a rule. We're going to click on it. And we're going to add an action. So when someone enters their email, we want to subscribe them to the campaign. And that's the campaign that we just created. So over here, you can see the campaign that I made before. I named it offer, and that's there in the drop-down box. So we're going to add that in, and we're going to press save rule. So what that means is when somebody enters their email on that page, they're now going to be subscribed to this campaign here. So let's head back to the campaign, and we're going to click on it. And we're going to create. So we're going to create our first campaign step. We're going to give it a name. We're going to add a sender name, and that's your name as you want it to appear to the recipient. And then your sender email. And we're going to click save. And in here, you would build your email that you want to send. And this is where you're going to add your affiliate links. And you're going to get affiliate links from places like ShareASale or ClickBank. And you want to build nice emails with lots of offers so that when people click on your links and make a purchase, you're going to earn a commission on each of them. So I'm just going to add some information so that I can save this. And when I'm done, we can come back up to the top and you've got save and test, save and publish. So for save and test, that's going to send a test email to your email so that you can confirm that it looks how it should and that all the links work as they should. So I do recommend using that. And then you can just save it as a draft, or you can save and publish, which is what we're going to do. And here you've got a few options. So if we already had more emails created, they can choose the order that they would be sent in. So there would be all of your other email campaigns that you've created in this list, but because we haven't made any, they're not there yet. And then you can set the delay between emails. So you could add like 5 days between emails. You can specify the time that you send the email and the days of the weeks the email should be sent. And then when you're happy with that, click activate. And then you can exit. So that is your first email created. And basically what you would want to do is create quite a few emails and set it up so that they go out maybe every day or every few days after somebody signs up with all your different affiliate links within them. That way you've got your funnel where people sign up, and as soon as they sign up, the emails are going directly to them automatically without you doing anything, with all of your offers and affiliate links, and each time they click on it, you make a sale and you earn that commission. And that is how you're going to make money using System.io. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching.